Hello today, and we're going to do a quick review on the Corsair Vengeance. Is it the Vengeance Series C70? Right, this is a second-hand case. The bad news is there are some pieces missing, as we're going to just take you around the case. So far, notice there's one of these plates missing, but that's not really a big issue because that's going to have a drive there anyway, so not a big issue. So let's have a look at the front. So we have this is in military green anyway, so it looks a lot like military sort of case. So a red on and off button there. So we have a hard drive light, headphones, microphone, two USB 3 ports, and this is very nice. I like that. Your reset button really looks, that does look good. I like that. I'm glad that hasn't been broken off. Yeah, so that is pretty good. So down here we have, looks like made for two fans. So let's have a look at the side. As I say, there are bits missing on this case, but that's second hand. So we have our case panel here. So you can put two additional fans in there. Looks like 120 and 140 millimeter fans you can put inside there. That's pretty good. And let's have a look at the top. So nothing on top really, so you can put additional 120, 140 millimeter fans here, two of them. That's good. We have handles so you can transport them around, which is good. Let's turn it around to the back. So here we have two of these, which are not rubber grommets. They looks like you can take these out somehow for your water cooling, if you've got water cooling. So here you have your motherboard plate, and here you have 120 millimeter extractor or exhaust fan, whatever you want to call it. Here, there's some of these missing. That's not really a big factor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Additional cards, if it depends on your motherboard, if you want to. And down the bottom, you have your power supply unit. The great thing about this case, when you want to take the side panels off, you don't have to unscrew them, because all you do is undo these, which I honestly think is absolutely brilliant. You just pull these up and off it comes, as easy as that. And now we're going to take a look around inside the case. So here we are. As I said, there's a few pieces missing. As I say, we're missing half of these, well, not half of them, but just 4 of them. Let's say this case has been used. So luckily we've got the attachments, the cables, but unfortunately we are missing a hard drive rack. That's just totally missing now. Don't know what's happened, and also we are missing 2 of these inside these. So obviously whoever's used it has taken the hard drives out but didn't take these off and put them back. Same with the mounting case, or unless they had a very big graphics card in it and they've upgraded their case or something, which is, I don't know, because this is a very, very good, sturdy, heavy case. So unless they have really upgraded, but this is actually not a cheap case. I looked online, brand new one of these will cost you in the £80 marks. So unless they've really spent a lot of money on a case, but you know, it is a good, I honestly think it is a good case. So down the bottom we have a power supply unit goes there, and an option to have an additional fan. So that looks like you can have up to 120 or 140 millimeters once again. So designed for cooling, because there's a lot of fans you can put in this, and I believe maybe it was the middle one, I don't know, but probably could have had a fan here if there was that drive bay, but that doesn't matter. But the good news about it, I only paid £5 for it, so that's pretty good. So what we're going to do, we're going to pause the video and strip the lot. So here we are, we've got all panels off, sides and front, so here we are. So yes, you can have 2 fans at the front. I think this bay, this hard drive bay is removable. So that's good. Maybe I can mount it more at the top, but I don't know if it can do that, because I think the other one in the middle just slides in. So yeah, so let's have a look at the other side. So we have, looks like this is all intact. We have 2 removable clips here, so for cable management. So it's good, you can tuck it. Plenty of rubber grommets, very big here. Brilliant. I'd say for £5 I got a bargain. I know there's missing pieces, but really can be overlooked unless you can actually buy additional parts for a case, which I don't know about. But as I say, I've only got it is going to have a solid state drive in this, so there's no accommodation for it at the moment. I might be able to just bodge it in somehow, it doesn't matter. It'll be a way into everything. I can do it. Yeah, very pleased with it. Plenty of you know, got all your additional cables here. Even come with this, which is I think it's a bit pointless. So if you got a USB 3 like this, you can convert it into USB 2. Really don't see the point in that, but if you have to, you can. If you haven't got no facilities on your motherboard or additional USB 3 card, you can use it as a USB 2. So okay, that's pretty good if it's not really an issue for the speed, because there's not a lot of peripherals out there for USB at the moment, just a few. It's got the standoffs in the motherboard, so that's good. Pretty big standoffs actually, so it must sit quite a distance away from the case itself. It's good rather. Yeah, for £5 it's pretty good. Can't really complain, but I don't know, I wish it did have this part here. It would have been a little bit nicer, but it's not really a big issue. But yeah, that's it. Oh, let's have a look at the front panel. So the good thing about these are metal, they're not the plastic snaps. So that's pretty good. So you know this is quality. So got one of them missing, but that's not really a big issue, because yeah, it's going to be a drive in there. Luckily the other 2 plates are still there, so that's good. So we've got the filters in there, that's good. So what we've got underneath, yep, we've still got the filters underneath for the, oh, that's better. Yep, still got the original filters for underneath. You want to put a fan underneath, and of course you put your power supply underneath there as well. But yeah, so side panel, I think it looked very strong. That's the other side. This one's the one with the nice big window there. So you can have 2 additional fans, which is good. Unfortunately, there's something else this case did not come with, a single fan. Perhaps someone's taken all the fans out, but I've got plenty of fans anyway, so not really a problem. So yeah, this is going to could be another interesting project for me later. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.